everyone, and welcome to 1104 South Red Cedar Avenue in Springfield, Missouri. I'm Stella Chamberlain with Chamberlain Realtors at Murney Associates Realtors, and I'm excited to show you inside this new listing. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3-car garage located in Bent Tree subdivision. The subdivision features a fantastic neighborhood pool, hot tub, tennis courts, basketball courts, and a play area. It's also located on a corner lot in the Willard School district. So follow me inside this wonderful split bedroom floor plan that's super clean and well maintained. A majority of time spent in a home is spent in the kitchen, and it's no exception for this wonderful kitchen and this great home. Lots of countertop space, black appliances, and lots of cabinetry. It also leads to the laundry area and out to the garage. It's sectioned off from the living room as well, and that'll lead you to the other 3 bedrooms. This house has a phenomenal, very functional split bedroom floor plan. Throughout the house, there's plenty of linen closets, storage space, a pantry. Come check out this master bedroom suite with an enormous double sink bathroom and walk-in closet. Follow me. Here in the living room, the attention is drawn to this magnificent fireplace. Did I mention this house is full electric fireplace, electric water heater, and this living room has nice tall ceilings, so it's open and airy. It has an in-ground lawn sprinkler system. The master bedroom has a jetted tub and a walk-in shower, but best of all is its proximity in the neighborhood to the wonderful in-ground pool and play area. So I hope you enjoyed today's video walkthrough of 1104 South Red Cedar Avenue in Springfield, Missouri. I'm Stella Chamberlain with Chamberlain Realtors at Murney Associates Realtors. If you'd like some extra information or you'd like to see this wonderful home, please give us a call. Have a wonderful day.